Okay, so we bought a new fridge for up here at the cabin, and it's kind of a smaller one. So I need to build a stand about 20 inches tall. It's cubed.
It's bigger than the one we had.
Well, yeah. We had a little dorm fridge last time. Now we got a little bit bigger. It was quite a bit, but probably double the size. But anyhow, I need to make a stand for it to get it up off the floor. So us fat people don't need to, bend over and get to the bottom. So I'm making a cube here. It's going to be this size. I think it's about almost 20. Let's take a look, see here. Oh boy, I'm way off. But after I get the top on, or the thing, I'm going to put some, I got some stuff over there I'm going to use. But I guess it's, that's about right. I guess, and then another 1/4 of an inch. So it's gonna be just shy of 20 by 20. But anyway, I started making my cube here. I'm gonna make one more thing here. And I'm gonna add some I got some more stuff over there. I'm gonna add over there, which I might just do. I don't know. We're just gonna kind of wing it. I had a plan, but now I kind of got short on my plan. But anyway, can you see? No. Wrong button. I need to twist you down. There we go. That's about the angle I need. Let's scooch you back here a little bit here. I gotta get a new phone tripod here.
You're not getting a new phone. You just got
No, not a new phone. I need a new holder here. Here, how about that? Let's do it like that. There we go. All right. Nobody laugh at my my outfit for today. All right, so I already got one. We'll set him down there. But I think we can make it work. Oh boy, I did miss it. Damn it.
Where's your tape measure?
Right here. Oh, that's hot. We're gonna angle it this other way now. Okay. Okay, I need to push pause somehow. Let me push this down. There we go. That's perfect. All right, got my two bait. Well, this is gonna be so. Like, yay. We're gonna spread this out. I'm not really too sure what I'm gonna use for the top. All right, I know what I'm gonna do for the bottom. I'm going to staple a couple boards on the inside here. Then probably one in here just for support. Then I'm going to put some tile up here on top. Or maybe I'll put some boards up on top. Put the tile on top of the boards. Yeah, that's what I'll do. And then I'll put, I might leave the bottom open for, we have a heater in there. Well, you know what? We're not. Never mind. Let me get some other boards real quick. gonna be like that. So I go with a 1/2 inch and then the slate on top. I'll put a board. Maybe put a board here, then we'll be able to. You know what? If we do that, we might be able. I'll be able to slide my clothes basket under it for dirty clothes. Oh, that's gonna work out good. We'll make a hamper. All right, I gotta get a few things. I'll be right back. Okay, I just gotta use a couple of these 1x4s. 1x6s, I guess. That'll work. Okay. So now I need them 22. Need the width to be 22 for the fridge sit on top. So 22. We got generators running this morning. We got the AC going. We got the solid going. I got an air compressor over here we're running. We're getting quite the workout this morning. All right, what did I say? 22. Here. Just using some old scrap wood. It's gonna work out just fine. I'll need one more. Well, maybe not. 22 here. Yeah, that'll be fine. Put that one in the middle. All right, so now, oh, shit. Please hold. Damn it. Well, not paying attention. I have to go get this. All right, I'll be right back.
Why did I just get a call from the DA's office?
I don't know, about what?
Drunkie.
What did they say?
Status hearing on September whatever if I want to attend.
What's the hearing about?
I don't know. It's a status hearing, so I'm guessing it's like to make sure he's doing what he was supposed to do, which was basically nothing. So, you may have just heard my wife talk about the drunk guy that hit us. I haven't really talked too much about this on film. Besides of, whatever. The guy got off, in my eyes, scot-free. 10 days in jail. $500 fine.
A $500 court fine.
Blew a .29.
And, for
3 times the legal limit of being drunk.
He should have been passed out, but he was walking the dog.
But anyway, there was another court hearing, or there is going to be another court hearing here, September something, I don't know. Lori had attended it last, and this last sentence. Oh man. Do I need more air? People? Too much air? What's going on there? I just bought this thing from a garage sale not too long ago, and I wouldn't think it's a Passage for some reason here. We might need more pressure. I really wouldn't think so, but maybe it's that guy really got me a good one here. Oh no, there she goes. Oh, that sunk it in there good. Back up this page a little bit more. Okay, let's try that. But anyway, that drunk guy, I don't really want to get too started on it, but the society, the world that we live in, what a joke. No repression for drinking and driving. I'm still not going to drink and drive, or even drink. Alright. Okay. It's saddening, the world we live in. Criminals get more justice than a whatever. This is lucky to be live, I guess. There's other videos on my site here of the 150 getting anyway, the 150 getting banged up pretty good. I know that was good. All right, then I need to get. What do they do here? 22, I think. Anyway, on that wreck, even though he was drunk, hope he learned his lesson. We're alive. That's all that matters. This thankful to be alive. Not very square at all. 22, I say. This will be the back. And then put this back here. That is looking good. Looking good. Hey, quit it. Taking air out of there, but what's that mean? I wonder. That means undo that. Okay. I should be done sawing. I should be done air compressing. I should probably. Oh, this is solid as a rock. I'm gonna go turn the compressors down. Not compressor, sorry. The switch on. Hold on, please. Turn that off. All right, I'm gonna go turn the generators down for low idle. Got some leftover tile here. Oh yeah. So I put this up here. Right there. Seems like we're not square right yet. I gotta give her a bit of a that should do something. So, yeah, right there. We're gonna take this. We're gonna cut that along there. All right. Yeah. Take this one. Let's flush it. That's fine. Not bad. And then this the same thing. Going to cut across here, right along that on the. All right, that's fine. And this one. Okay. All right, I got my grinder with a diamond blade on it, and we're gonna cut that. Okay, I couldn't find my.
Hey, watch it.
Well, that lizard just right here. Huh? I don't think he knows how to put his grape up here. You know, I couldn't find my. He's looking for your grape.
Are you filming?
Yeah, I'm filming. Oh, something's already been up here eating it. There, Bubba. There, your grape. He likes it.
likes these grapes.
Am I in that?
No. He was just eating it. Now he's not. He's standing like we don't see him. Okay. Anyhow, so the place is kind of a mess. Let me pick up some trash here. Put that in the trash. So that's the refrigerator we have. So I'm gonna put that stand under there right now, and move the water and her drinks, and I'm gonna heave ho it, and she's gonna slide it underneath. Yep, that's the plan, and it should go right to the bottom of the. Well, it might be a couple inches of the bottom of the loft, but that's what it's gonna be. Okay, I got it underneath there. Well, Lori helped me, but there it is. We have that almost 20 inches under there, and it's right to the bottom of the loft, and now everything is eye level. So yeah, that works out good. That worked out real good. It did. It's a little shaky, but it's not real bad. Actually, you know what? I think it's the floor more than anything. Okay, that is it. Oh yeah, messy cabin. Messy cabin. My headband. Okay. Yeah. I'll fill up my water jug with ice, but other than that, there she blows.